3 words I use all the time. And those 3 words are, solve the problem. Solve the problem. I might give you ideas, but every time you fight me and say, can you do this? He's doing this. He took this. She's a problem. My girlfriend called me this. I can't go to the prom. Solve the problem. Solve the problem. Here's what you can do. Now solve the problem. I once had a kindergarten teacher who all the kids, you know how when you teach younger kids, or any kids in that matter, you have little centers and only so many kids can be in the center at a time. You know, like 4 kids at the sand table, 3 kids here, 2 kids here. All the kids, 15 of them wanted to be at the sand table. So they all came in, I want to be at that. And so instead of doing the numbers, he just said, go ahead, go. All of you go. What a wonderful thing. All 15 kids went to the sand table. And they're all like this. They're trying to play and they couldn't play. So teacher stopped and she goes, stop and look. Problem? And they looked around. They said, well, no one's playing with the Legos. So perhaps someone should do that. Well, after about 20 minutes or so, the kids started to disperse to different sections of the room. And right off they realized why only 4 people could be at the sand table. But if they were never allowed the experience to solve the problem, we would have to continue to run interference. I kind of call it my Velcro sneaker syndrome. If we don't give you time to learn to tie your shoes because we don't have time, just buy them Velcro, forget it. Or just do it for them, forget it. It's so easy to fall into that because we're going 100 miles an hour, but we got to be careful that we don't always do that.